Welcome back, my friends. No, you did not get lost in time, although this was a company that I loved and spent a lot of time with for about a decade. Yes, Air Turbine Technology, we're back again. Shout out to my friend Kim Dodds and certainly Mr. Simon Shane. Thank you for everything you did for my life and my career. But today, we're talking about Tornos, we're talking about precision, we're talking about high RPM. Davi, let's be honest. Tornos worldwide is known as a precision leader.
Yes.
You can do everything that people want to do. But we're standing in front of the Air Turbine booth today because there's something inside of here going 80,000 RPM.
That's true.
And when we get into those small diameters, it's kind of a bonus, right?
Yeah, that's true. I mean, this machine, we are talking about this brand new launch here in Brazil, in Brazilian market. We're talking about the Swiss DT 26S here. And this machine goes up to 10,000 RPM. So for the majority of the operations, it works well, right? But when you go to the small diameters, you need to go faster, right?
I've played in this world. It's something I'm very familiar with. In the Swiss world, you're very familiar with. You have a legacy background working with small diameter and tight tolerances, high precision. What I love about this situation is, like you said, 10,000 RPM, you can do 90%, 99% of the jobs out there. But what I've realized, if you get, say, 0.5 millimeter, which is what we're running today, smaller than that, we really need RPM because that cycle time can just feel like it's taking forever.
That's true. That's true. And that's why we have Air Turbine here in the show. We have our machine in the booth. So this Air Turbine, you don't have to do any changes in the machine. And you still are able to do those crazy fast operations, right? So that's why we have this good partner with Air Turbine worldwide. And the point is, imagine this machine, what is launching here in Brazil? It's the, it's the first step inside the Swiss machines. The first step inside the precision. But it's still, you still can do complex operations, So we have a good starting point with this machine here. I mean, we already had a lot of, research about it. The Brazilians are quite, we need that. We need that because the price is quite good, but we still can do quite a lot of operations inside medical, automotive, and we are talking about 26. So it's about an inch, right? So you still have that flexibility. You still can do a lot of different operations or different types of. So I already had one here, right?
Got one part already.
So like this one, I mean, when I say about nice and good operations, imagine this is not a simple.
Not at all. It's a great
part.
demo.
Yes.
It's a really great demo.
So you can see here what the Air Turbine did. I mean, it's quite nice, right? So
let's show this off a little bit. Can we actually focus on that just to show the engraving? The engraving itself, it's 0.5 millimeter, I believe, about 20,000 diameter. And they're doing the engraving because that would take forever. I'm going to go back to one of your points, Davi, which was the air itself. We don't need outside airlines. You don't have to pump anything. It's all built in. It's plug and play, isn't it?
It's plug and play. It's working with 6 bar.
6 bar, and that's all we need.
I mean,
something else I want to bring up, and you're quite familiar with, our friends at RegoFix.
Yes.
They're using UP collets from RegoFix to make sure the precision is aligned with the Tornos precision.
Imagine when we talk about big diameters, every micron matters. When we talk about a 0.5 millimeter diameter, imagine, for sure the micron will matter as well. So when we talk about RegoFix, we talk about precision, we're talking about below 5 microns a collet. So we have a good machine with precision. We have a collet that which is stable, and we do have this opportunity to work with Air Turbine to make this nice operation. So I mean, it's all about all the factors together to have a good production, a good part, and with quality, and make it faster, right?
Yeah, exactly right, and well said. Something Air Turbine educated me on, and I know that's not the actual word, but I love to say it, educated me on, is the fact that air spindle, there's no oil, there's no gears, there's no brushes, it doesn't break down, it can run 24/7 without thermal expansion, and you know the Swiss world better than I do. If I'm buying a Swiss machine, my goal is to run lights out 24/7, so any kind of opportunities to be able to adapt to that, that's a perfect situation for those high RPMs and small diameters.
And imagine, this machine is already set as the standard machine. It's already prepared to receive this, to be installed, just to plug and play this turbine. So that's why we have a good partnership with them. because it's easy and works well. So that's why.
I love it, man. And for everyone out there, there's 20 millimeter, 22, and 25. There's 60,000 and 80,000 RPM to go with those different diameters to go into your machine, whatever works. So the flexibility is there as well. And if Tornos is supporting it, you know it has to be a good tool, because much like Davi being amazing and making me look good on camera, this machine also makes you look good. So combine it all together, you're saving time, you're making money, you're creating profitability, and it's walk away time, just like Davi and I can walk away now from this interview.
See you.
All right, my friend.